Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 22 of being productive in coding. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Today I'm gonna solve delete characters to make fancy string. In this problem, we have to delete the string which occurs three consecutive characters. That means if the character is appeared three times, we have to delete that one. See here in this example, Leetcode, here E is repeated three times. So we deleted one E letter and we returned two E's. In that way, we need to delete. See here, a fancy string is a string where no three consecutive characters are equal. That means we need to skip the third character. Let's start the code. For this, I am using string builder to store my new string builder sb equal to new string builder, and here I am starting with the for loop for each loop for char ch, and I am converting the given string into character array. See, so for each loop I am using here. So for every element in the character array of string, that means the character array string will be like this: L, E, E, and like this Leetcode. I am using this example. Okay. Now we need to check whether there is three equal letters or not. So for this, I will add that character into my resulting string, and I will check the length of the string. See, int n equal to sb dot size. I think this is length string builder, right? Sb dot length. Let's see, if it fails we can do it. See here, sb dot length. I am taking the size of length of the resulting string builder. As of now, we didn't add any kind of character into our string builder, for that's why n will be 0. If n is greater than or equal to 2, that means if there are lot of elements in the n in our sb, if the length size of the string builder is greater than 2, means we have to check the previous characters of our string builder. So for this, sb dot char at n minus 1 character, and we have to check char at n minus 2 character. If it is equal to ch, see, we are checking each and we are adding, and we are also checking each and character, right? See, l will be, first of all we have to check. See here, then I will explain you, then I will say continue, and I will add that element sb dot ch. I will explain you, don't worry. See, first elements are there, right? The characters are splitted and our string is converted into characters. See what's happening here means, here first l will be checked. First n equal to, as the size of string builder is 0, so n will be 0. Is n is 0 is greater than or equal to 2? No. So if this statement will not execute, directly sb in the string builder our character l will be added. Okay. Now in the string builder l is there. Again it will go, now the loop will go to e. Now the n value will be 1, because in string builder l is there, one character is there, so size of our string builder is 1. So n equal to 1. Is 1 is greater than equal to 2? No. So if loop will not execute, and as b dot append, e will be appended into our string builder, resulting string builder. Again ch, e will be checked. Now this e, n is equal to, now our string builder size is 2, n equal to 2. Is 2 is equal to 2? Yes. Now if we'll check, and it will also check this condition, sb dot character at n minus 1. N minus 1 is ch. ch is e, right? Now we are checking this e. sb dot ch is sb dot character at n minus 1. This one is also e, but it is also checking n minus 2, that means previous character. But this is l, it is not equal to e, so it will not do anything and it will continue. I mean, it will not continue. It does not enter into if statement. So it will add our character into our e, right? And next it will check. Now this e, when it checks, you can see n is equal to 3 now. Three characters are there in our string builder. Is 3 is greater than equal to, yes, this statement, this condition passed, and then it will check the previous character, that is equal to e. Yes, it is equal to e, and this is also passed. And next it will check this n minus 2, and this is also e, it passed. That means, so it passed and it will not do anything, it will just continue. Now again, continue in the sense it will go to again the next character, that is t. In this way we will skip the third consecutive character. So at last we will get the as a string builder, right? We need to return in the string format sb dot to string. Let's see, it passed. I hope you all got this this problem. With the help of string builder itself, we are adding the characters into our string builder and we are checking. Let's submit the code. It passes. So that's it guys for today. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.